The trash cloud. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful girl who lives with her mother. Her name was Zsófika, and one day the mother said to Zsófi,
Zsófikám, come, go for a walk. Okay, Mom. Now we're going after that. The plastic. Go and reuse it or throw to the trash. Oh, I will. Ha ha ha! Doesn't throw it to the trash. Now then, here is the bottle. Now what does it mean? So, don't throw the bottle in the ground. Throw it into the trash. Ha ha ha. I doesn't need this. So don't do that. Throw it into the trash. Next time, the trash cloud, it will foil you. If that doesn't happen, go to the bed.
and that night something strange things happened. When Zsófika went to fall asleep, the buzzing fly, they was buzzing around her head. Even the trash cloud came to up above her head.
What is this? Mommy, the trash can is under me. But Zsófika, I said you to don't throw this trash in the floor. Zsófika.
But Zsófika tried to put everything, tried to stick it out the cloud, but it didn't go away. And after he find out, he will put the trash in the trash bin. But when she put it inside, he just flew back up above her head. And Zsófika was really clueless. She doesn't know what she has to do, and she was the saddest little girl in the whole wide world. She went to the school, but the cloud was following her. When the children Nobody wants to play with her because she was so smelly because of the cloud was up around her. She was really sad. But one day when she was walking outside in the garden, she saw a little boy was coming and she was eating his banana. But when he finished it,
Put it into the trash bin.
and he saw that, one little mess was left up above her head. Now she knows what she has to do. And she saw another little boy who was coming, or the little girl. And she finished her Actimel. And she knew that, that is the solve the problem if she has the children.
Don't throw the broken toy in the floor. Put it into the trash.
And when she was teaching the children, the cloud was getting smaller and smaller, and not such as lots of things. One day the little boy came out in the garden. She was eating her candy and throwing the candy paper on the ground.
Don't put the candy paper in the ground. Put it into the trash. Oh,
And Jovika was checking her cloud. It was getting less and less. She was so happy.
Put it into the trash. Okay, Sophie.
Jovika was so happy, and even she tried to clean up her mess too on the ground. But she saw the little boy.
Hey, Lottie, don't throw the tissue in the floor. Put it into the paper. Trash. Sorry, Sophie, okay.
Oh, and she saw that just only a few trash was left above her head. So she tried to pick up her mess from the garden, and the garden became so clean and so neat. And this time she saw that Auntie was coming to the garden, and she saw she wants to put her plastic bag in the trash.
Auntie, please don't throw the trash. We use it. Okay, Sophie.
And this magical happened. No more cloud was up above her head. She was running around the circle and she was calling her friend, "Look, no more trash cloud." Oh. So the children were so happy to play with her. They were using the toys. And Jovika from that day, she was very careful to not let the trash cloud coming back to her head. And everybody played with her every time.